Okay, so let's go ahead and solve this problem that was presented. So we want to solve the inequality. So what we're going to do is first distribute the -2 into the first parenthesis. So -2 times m is -2m. And then -2 times -3 is a +6. Now we're just going to bring down the inequality symbol and now distribute the 5. 5 times m is 5m, and 5 times 1 is 5. Then we're going to go ahead and bring down that -12. So once we clear the parentheses, we want to now combine like terms. On the left side, there's nothing to combine. So that's just -2m plus 6. On the right side, we could combine the 5 and the -12. 5 minus 12 is -7. So we have 5m and then minus 7. Now we need to get our variable terms on one side and the constant terms on the other side. So I'm going to start by subtracting 5m from both sides. And so when I simplify now the left side, -2m minus 5m is -7m. I'm going to bring down that 6, bring down the inequality symbol, and now simplifying the right side, the 5m's cancel, and I'm just going to bring down that -7. Now I need to move my constants to one side. So I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides to get -7 by itself. On the left side, bring down that inequality symbol, and -7 minus 6 is -13. From there, I need to isolate my variable. So since I have -7m, we will divide by -7. So this simplifies to just m, but you have to do it to both sides. -13 divided by -7 is a +13/7. Now what happens with the inequality symbol is anytime you multiply or divide by a negative, the symbol flips. So what we get is m greater than 13/7. In interval notation, if it helps, you could draw a number line. I'm going to just put a 0 in the center there. 13/7 is bigger than 0, so that's going to be to the right. Now, greater than, it goes in the direction towards the right. We want everything greater than 13/7, so that's to the right, greater than. Now, if you did need a number line, you would put an open circle or a parenthesis on the 13/7 because it's a strict inequality that doesn't contain an equal, so it's strictly greater than. So again, use an open circle or a parenthesis there. So in interval notation, we start at 13/7 and we go all the way to right to positive infinity. And then we put parentheses around both. Infinity will always get a parenthesis.